Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video in early Saturday morning. It's 1:41 a.m. The week ended yesterday, so it's going to be like a weekly recap. So let's get started. All the trades taken. So the week started on the 27th, Monday. So this is there are a couple of trades on Monday with the Euro USD all from 20-minute chart, right, on the 27th. And well, Monday is usually slow, right? So it's only 50 pip, and as it is, the Euro USD is the slow mover. So this is one of those, and that on the 27th, just the opposite, because the USD weakness was happening. So pound USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD, they were going up, and USD CAD, USD yen were coming down. So just the opposite, USD CAD, because USD is on the left hand side. On the 27th, this pair went down for the same amount of pip, almost 55 pip. The next one you can see is on the 28th. Basically, this one is the continuation of the same one, and more of that. Instead of 55, I close it the next day on the 28th for 85 pip. Wow, 30 more pip for the whole day. This is how these pairs. Once in a while I trade them, but usually I don't. These are the babies. This is the one. That's. Pound Nosy, pound CAD, pound Aussie. That's what I usually trade. They move big and they give you big trades. This is on the 28th. You can see is pound Nosy and uh, easy peasy 150 pip. Okay, these are the big ones. You're gonna see a lot of them. On the 28th again, pound USD, because pound was moving, right? So getting strong, and then here you have, and the USD was also getting weaker. It started to get weaker. So 75 pip. This one, and I had this one as well, right? But this one was the last week on Friday. Big trade. So this one on the 28th, and then the next one is, you can see Euro Aussie on the 28th from 7-minute chart. Beautiful entry. And then the next entry was this one and this one, but I didn't have, I didn't have to take it, because once you are in the trade, just showing all the possible entries there. This system is beautiful; it gives you so many entries. So here on the 20th, 75 pip from Euro Aussie. This one pound Aussie again. This one you just saw, and then again after that from here on the next 29, a little bit of retracement, and boom, gone again. 85 pip here. You're going to see a lot more of pound Aussie. Beautiful pair. On the 29th, Euro USD again. You saw, probably this one or that one, right? And then after the retracement, goes here again, 50 pip again on the 29th. And pound Aussie again, right? We just saw this one, and then again, little retracement, and boom, gone. 125 pip on the 30th, pound Aussie. And pound CAD, this is like 2 days worth of trade. Okay, the entry was on the 29th and closed at the end of 30th, July 30th, and total of 290 pip. You can see beautiful. This was an entry too, but I didn't take that one. And this is the one. Look how nice. And this was the entry. This was the entry. So many entries. And then total in 2 days, 290 pip. Just this pair, 29 and 30. And then pound yen, this one here on the entry was just like around the beginning of 29. Early yen is an Asian currency, so you can see these pairs like Euro Aussie, Euro Pound Aussie, and yen pairs moving in the Asian session. So on the 30th, this is the one on 125 pip, and pound Aussie 20-minute again on the 30th. This was a small trade here, and then entry, and then from here it took off, big one, right? 160 pip on 30th. On Thursday, Euro Aussie on 30th, 100 pip again from here to here. This was a very nice entry as well, but it is again the early 29 all the way to on 30. On the 30th, pound USD. Pound USD is like, this was my trade. This is the trade. And then again, this one for 130 pip. This was going up. Pound was getting strong and USD was getting weaker. So pound USD was creating big imbalance differences in these currencies. One is going north, the other one is going south, and that's where you cash in. And on the 31st, again, pound CAD, after all of that, it's still small short again, 60 pip. It just keep going up, all pound pairs. Pound Newsy, again, big one, right? Again, big one. It's 160 pip on the 30th. After finishing up here, right? I closed the last one here, and then it retraced, came back, went up, and then boom, gone. And on Pound Aussie, on the 31st, 75 pip again from here. And I think this is, the last one is Euro Yen, 70 pip. This is the entry here by the book. Okay, I think this is the last one. Yes, this is the last one on Friday, yesterday. So these are all the trades, and they are all based on my weekly charts, my analysis. For example, I'm just going to show you one only here. That, for example, Pound Aussie, right? Pound Aussie, I made the chart on the 14th and saying that, okay, it will drop. It was here, right? So it's going to drop a little bit here. So we're going to go short, maybe a day or two. And after that, it will be going to the upside, all long. And that's why you saw so many long in Pound Aussie. In fact, Pound CAD, Pound Aussie, they're all doing the same thing based on these charts. And look, this is the chart I made, and this is what happened. This is where we are now. So it did exactly what I said. It came down, hit the TL, and bounced. This TL was around 76.50. Now we are back to 82.91. It's almost 83. So 76.50 to 77. So that's 350 pip that and 300 pip here. So he went up all the way from there, almost 650 pip. And out of that, 300, 400, catching out 400 is not a problem, right? So one of these setup can give you a lot of pippage. So if you want to get the system, you want to learn how to do it and how to use it, there's a little bit of learning involved, right? So you can go to my website. Let's see if I can show you my website here, right? This is my website. You can go, you sign up for a monthly subscription. It's very cheap. And you get to attend my webinars twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday. I'm going to have a webinar on Sunday and tell my subscribers which pair is going where and what to do. And using the system, we make the entry. And the system is also, we have an alarm, right? So you don't have to sit in front of the computer all the time. You just open the charts, you put the alarm on. When the setup is ready, the alarm beeps. And if the setup is according to in line with our analysis, we pull the trigger. Simple as that. But there is some work to do. So it's a weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Sign up, get the system, set up the charts. There's a little bit of a couple hour work to set up the charts and everything. And if you have any problem, I can come on the Skype and help you out, set up your charts and everything, and you take it from there. And if you don't know much about this business, it's a very, very good business if you learn properly. It's very dangerous if you don't learn and then try to do it, to be honest with you. So if you do not know, if you don't have any experience, and if you want to master this market, since we have coronavirus going on and we sitting home, and you need to learn something online to make money online. So you can go and sign up here on one-on-one coaching. It's a 10-hour 1 hour each session, 10-hour course. I will come on the Skype or any other means. If you don't have a Skype, don't worry. I can still show you my chart, my screen, and I will be teaching you almost A to Z. Everything has to do with Forex, including Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, support resistance, everything, trend line, blah blah blah. All right. So after finishing this course, this market will be under your feet. So this is how intense this course is. You'll learn everything. Okay, I've been doing this. I've been in this business more than almost 14 years now. All right, so I know almost. I should say not almost, but everything. Okay, so this is it for now. Like I said, if you want to be a part of it, just go on my website, sign up, and start. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.